Today you're going to learn about your new MacBook. I think you're really going to like it. It'll take a little getting used to, but once you get used to it, you'll be very glad you have a MacBook. Today you're going to learn about the dock, the Finder, how to insert and eject a disk, the Spotlight search, and the trackpad. First up is the dock. Your dock is the place on your Mac where your applications and documents are easily accessed. In order to alter your dock, go into the Apple menu and click on System Preferences. System Preferences is similar to the control panel on your PC. In order to alter your dock settings, click on Dock, and here you've got your choices. I happen to have a lot of applications and folders on my dock, so it's already as large as it'll go. However, if you choose to have fewer things on there, you can make it smaller or larger. You can turn on magnification, which will allow you to easily see which application you're clicking on. And you can also adjust how large the magnification is. You can position it on the left side of the screen, like I have it, the bottom of the screen, or to the right of the screen. And here you can automatically hide and show the dock. For example, now mine is hidden. However, if I bring my mouse all the way over to the left, you can now see my dock. You'll have to play around with this a bit and see which works best for you. Still can't find what you're looking for? Let's learn about the Finder. On a Mac, you use the Finder to manage, view, and organize your files. In order to open a Finder window, click on the Finder icon. Finder is the first icon you'll see in your dock. On the left side, you'll see the sidebar. It gives you access to your hard drives, other attached disks, and things like cameras. You will also see shared devices, common places such as your desktop and your documents, and finally, an area for smart searches. Across the top of each Finder window are the view buttons. You can see the contents of any folder as icons, a text list, column view, or cover flow. Cover flow lets you flip through your documents, making it easy to find what you're looking for. When a document is highlighted, just tap the spacebar to preview it without having to open it. This is also true in any of the other versions. And now for the really important stuff. CDs and DVDs. They aren't going to listen to and watch themselves. How do you insert and how do you eject a disc? Let's find out. On the right-hand side of your computer, you will notice a long slot for the CDs to be inserted. There is no tray on your MacBook. In order to insert a CD or a DVD, simply push in the disc until you feel resistance, and your computer will automatically insert it for you. Depending on what type of disc you're inserting, your MacBook will know what to do. In the case of a DVD, it will automatically launch the DVD player and begin playing your DVD. In order to eject the disc, quit the DVD player, and you have two choices. You can either click on the disc and drag it to the trash can. Notice that when I do that, the trash can becomes an eject button. Or you may simply click the eject button located at the top right of your keyboard. And now for one of my favorite things about the Mac, the Spotlight search. It's really cool. Check it out. With Spotlight, you can find anything on your computer as quickly as you can type. files, email, contacts, images, calendar events, and even applications. Spotlight is located at the top right corner of your computer screen. In order to use it, click on the Spotlight, and a text box will appear. As you begin to enter the text of your search, you will see that results already begin appearing. I search for the word vocab. You will see that already I've got a good list of documents. It's organized by documents, folders, messages, PDFs, web pages, music, movies, and presentations. If you'd like to rearrange that, you can go into Spotlight Preferences and you can make it fit better for you. In this case, I was looking for my finals list for vocab. If I find it first, I click on it, and it automatically goes and opens it for me. However, if I'm using my Spotlight search and I want to narrow my results, click on Show All at the top, and here I've got a list of all the documents on my computer that have the name vocab, either in the contents or in the file name. And you'll see I've got 1,458, so I definitely need to narrow that down. I would then click on File Name, and now it restricts the search to file names that have vocab in them. Now, this is something I might use pretty often. And what's neat about the Spotlight search is that you can create a smart folder that will automatically update as you add, change, or remove documents on your Mac. For example, if I click Save, I am creating a smart folder that anytime I create a file that's got the name vocab in it, it's going to put it in this folder for me. I'm going to name this as vocabulary, click Save, and you'll notice a new folder in my sidebar. From now on, whenever I go into the Finder and I open it up, anything that's got the word vocab in the file name is now going to be saved here. I can add documents and it will automatically update for me. Last up today, this thing. It's not just a mouse. A trackpad is much more capable than just a regular mouse. It has many different preferences and settings that you can choose to make it really do exactly what you want it to do. In order to access these preferences, go to the Apple menu at the top left of your computer and click on System Preferences. System Preferences act like your control panel on your PC. Your trackpad preferences are located in the second row, and when you click on it, you'll see you have many different options. Tracking speed indicates how quickly your mouse will move around as your finger moves on the trackpad. Double-click speed and scrolling speed affect how sensitive it is. And what I really like about this is that all you have to do in order to see what each thing is, just hover over it, and you'll see that it highlights, and the animation to the bottom right will show you exactly what each thing is. Dragging is another thing that is useful. But something that's really kind of confusing for new Mac users is a secondary click. With a PC, we're used to having a right click. Macs don't come out of the box that way. However, there is a workaround. If you're a righty, you'll want to click secondary click, and you'll want to do the bottom right corner. If you're a lefty, you'll probably feel more comfortable having the bottom left corner. And that will allow you to have the same functionality that you're used to. And there are many different options down here that you can take a look at and see what works for you. It is fully customizable, so find a fit that works best for you and have fun. Well, that's it for today. I hope you learned something. Remember that there's more help under the FAQs at the GACS Help Desk on the GACS website. Enjoy your MacBook!